Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with Satisfying Butter Slime. It is so soft. I love this slime. It's so stretchy. It's so soft. I love this slime. So I wanted to show you guys the butter slime. So yeah, so if you want to know how to make this butter slime, comment down in the comments below and say if you want to make it or not. And yeah, so let's go on to the video. Thank you guys so much for watching that. Hope you guys like watching the butter slime. I personally love butter slime. It's almost my favorite type of slime. So if you want to know how to make this, it's so easy. So go down in the comments below and say if you want to or not. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video next time. Subscribe, comment, and thumbs up. Please, if we could get this video to 2,000 likes, that would be the most amazing thing. Okay, so get liking and get sharing and get subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.